deliberately given less information. In the next one we're going to do, which is a group one, there'll be more variables. The only variable there really was price and time. They had a flight to catch to go on holiday to Portugal. Your point of view, what were you pleased with, and is there anything you've done differently as a result of Extreme but credible is of huge importance. It sets the dynamic for the negotiation anyway. But remember, we spoke about people value deals that have had to fight for more than an inferior deal that came to easy. Because you've opened Extreme does give you the chance to move in ever incremental. Never suggested you lie, but sometimes showing your hand too soon. So key learnings from that would be what? Open, extreme, but credible. Yeah, give yourself wriggle room. It's all about giving satisfaction. Okay. Share information where it consolidates your case. You have the choice not to when it undermines your case. Now, in choosing not to, if that harms the transactional climate, that might not be the right thing to do. But under certain circumstances, it might be the good thing to do. Planning and preparation is crucial, as we've said. So thinking, what I'm encouraged there from all of you is thinking, well, what's on their pad? What might be their break point? That's great. You've set your own, but then concentrate on driving them to one more negotiation, which is specific to your industry. What we've done so far is explore some of the principles through the charity case and the penny black stamp case, some of the principles affecting negotiation. What we're now leading up to is this afternoon's negotiation, which is where you're going to be working as a buying group